So, all right, guys, we're going to start with Uzaifa. He had a question that says, is it okay to add multiple LOG site properties to Search Console at the same time? Yeah, I thought I could have sworn I covered that last week, but yes, it's no problem. I've got no problem. I keep all of my LOG sites in the same Search Console account, which is the workspace account for the felling.pro domain. So, and then I also add, myself as a full user using my primary Google account, which is Bradley Benner at Gmail. So I can access it from, and TreeCare HQ as well, multiple other accounts, but the primary account, the primary owner where I originally submitted those LOG sites was via the workspace account for the felling.pro domain. So yeah, you can absolutely do that. It's not a problem. We're not doing anything spammy. So there's no reason you can't do that. If you're going to do something spammy, then you want to try to split it up and spread it out to where it's not in the same, everything in the same Search Console account. But I recommend you just don't do stuff spammy. So then you don't have to worry about it.